Hello guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Thompson, and today I will be reviewing a product that actually just launched. It's a product that I believe will be of benefit for you if you have a lot of files, or you are just coming up, building up files for your business. Most of those things are important files. Like, let's assume like you're getting this software now. It's an important file to you. Your email swipes, your documents, everything. Now you need all those things to be saved. Your pictures, okay. Just think of anything you could save online. Now you have Orange Drive to save them on, because if you look at a software like Dropbox, you actually pay for Dropbox on a monthly basis, and you and I knows. You can decide to pay for Dropbox for a year, but you and I knows it's quite expensive and it's not a personal stuff. Anything could go wrong at any time. But you having this Orange Drive, like, it's your own personal bank storage where you can store your files, unlimited files. Okay, you can store anything you can think of that is online. Okay, so it's a breakthrough app. Okay, it's a breakthrough app that helps you store, host, share, and backup unlimited files, videos, images, and more on ultra fast server for life. Okay, now when you save these things here, they are saved actually for life. Okay, and if you are concerned about your files, about your videos, about your images, then this is the right software for you to get. Okay, everyone needs more online storage, especially as video and image files really eat up fast. But talk about expensive. Dropbox, iCloud, Mediafire can really put a dent in your budget with their monthly fees. That is what I was trying to make you to understand, that you don't need to be paying monthly to Dropbox, iCloud, Mediafire again, because with this you can be able to store your files for life, and that is the beauty of it. Okay, and not to even mention, you see, let me read this up. Say not to mention all their limitations. But well, today you can say goodbye to all that. That is the truth, because iCloud, Dropbox, they all have their limitations. Okay, now with this software, you'll be able to host all your valuable files, pictures, videos. Okay, very safely. Okay, stay with me to the end of this video. I'm going to take you to the member area of the software. I'm going to show you everything, how it works. If you are new to my channel, I really encourage you, okay, to subscribe to my channel, okay, and click the notification button, so that when next I drop a video, you'll be the first to get to see it. I will actually appreciate you giving this video a thumbs up, a like, and subscribing. Okay, this software is a very good software, and for that reason I've put together a bunch of exclusive bonuses for you. Okay, now let me just take you, before I show you how much it actually costs, let me just take you to my bonuses. Okay, like you rightly say, it's called exclusive bonuses. I know the vendor is going to be giving you some bonuses, but I have exclusive bonus that I'll be giving to you. I know some other affiliates also will be giving you some bunch of bonuses, but in my case, I don't like giving bunch of bonuses that will not be of benefit to you. I actually picked out these bonuses because I know they are exclusive. They are something that will actually benefit you. These are not bunch of PLR that you just read and you dump in your shelf. Okay, no, these are actually bonuses that I know if you put them to work, they're going to help your business, and you'll see the benefit of this bonus. Now, backlink software. You all know the importance of backlink. If you have a business online, okay, you have a website, a blog, you know the importance of backlink. Okay, backlink is something that is necessary, something you need if you actually intend to grow your business. Okay, you see, finding relevant backlink is the key to success for every marketers. Okay, they are the ultimate source to push your website to the top of search results. That is just the truth. That's for that reason I know you definitely need this software, so I'm giving it to you absolutely free, even if you get just the front end of Orange Drive. Okay, keeping this in mind, okay, that nobody else is going to give you this. I'm giving you this. Okay, content pop-up. Now this bonus is actually a good bonus if you have a website. Okay, you can trigger in content, video pop-up, image pop-up, text pop-up, or content pop-up, which you can use to showcase your product, article, or even your profile. Now, if you have a website, this plugin, okay, you just install it into, you're going to get the training of how to install it into your website. Now, if you install it into your website and somebody comes into your website, okay, let's say you install like a sign-up form. The sign-up form can just come up and ask the person to sign up to your either your list or your newsletter or something. It could be a video. A video could just pop up while the person is trying to go through your website, telling that person about a particular information or video you want that person to see. Okay, just it could be a product. A product can just pop up. You know, these are avenues for you to capture the attention of your site visitors. Okay, and you can also use it to grow your list. So this bonus is a wonderful bonus that I will encourage you to get this for. And one other bonus I'm giving you is this website quiz creator. Okay, now one other thing that Google actually recognizes very well that they help to use to rank your site is how much time people actually spend on your website or your blog. Okay, now you can get people engaged, stay much longer on your blog or website by creating quiz, okay, like very fancy, lovable quiz on your blog, and people come and they try to solve those quiz, and you might just even do it in a form like you are giving them a prize for solving that quiz. Okay, it keeps them much longer on your website and also helps you to rank, okay, on Google. You see, by using this useful and effective plugin, you are giving your visitors the chance to challenge themselves by solving quizzes that will keep them entertained. So this way, they will spend more time in your website. So you need to get Orange Drive through my link so that you can get this particular bonus. Okay, WordPress email timer. Okay, the fourth bonus I'm giving you is what? Now, you see, in your mail, you can bring urgency into a message. It could be your blog post or your website, an article. You can bring an urgency into it by inputting timer into it. Okay, you know, people are, they are this, they take action when they know that, this thing is going to discuss in the next minutes or couple of minutes. You understand what I'm trying to say. So for that reason, you put up timer plus in your email. You can even put it in your email actually, or your blog post to make people take action. This will help to increase conversion, sales, and also click-through rates inside your email. Because the moment someone opens your mail, they immediately see the timer ticking to 0 and urging them to take action right away. This is something that most of the gurus are actually using now, okay, to make visitors or their subscribers to take action. Okay, you know, some persons, they actually want to wait till the end of time before they take action. Okay, so what we'll do, I'm going to take you to the front end of Orange Drive. But what we'll do is this: when you get to the front end of Orange Drive, which is here, okay, you get to the front end, like this video you are watching. Actually, for you to get here, what you need to do for me is to just come down. When you click the link below this video, you're going to click, you get to my review page here, okay, then you click here to claim your bonuses. When you click here, it then is going to bring you, okay, to the page of the sales page of Orange Drive here. Okay, then you scroll through. You can just read one or two things. You can see the testimonial, and also there's a video tutorial here. There's a video that actually shows you everything, okay, about Orange Drive. Right now, this video, I will encourage you, when you get here, I will encourage you to watch this video. Okay, and let me just take you to Orange Drive. Now, this is the back end. This is when you purchase Orange Drive. This is exactly where you're going to land. Okay, now there are some files there already. Okay, what you just need to do for you to store your file here, you just need to click here. Okay, you can decide to click. First and foremost, you just need to register first. Okay, you register yourself here, right? Then you come here, you click here, right? You click here. Okay, I'm not going to upload because of time. I've uploaded some other files already, but what I'm just trying to show you how you go about it. Okay, Then now you can upload your file here. Okay, when you upload your file here, your file will automatically be saved here. Okay, and you can decide to add probably your staff or somebody to also help you to manage this particular storage system. Okay, now all these files here, like you can see my SEO video, my SEO video, and this other file, they are saved there, and they are saved there for life. Okay, you can actually password even this file. Okay, you can password it, you can share. Okay, like you can see, you can share this particular, like this SEO video copy. Now if I want to share it, you can share it, like you remember, like they do on Google Drive. You can share this link so that if you share this link to somebody and they click it, they just come here and they can download. Okay, they can get access to download this particular file. Okay, even you too, despite the fact that you've uploaded those videos here, you can still download them. Okay, you can still download those videos. Okay, so you can just come here and manage. You preview what you've uploaded here. You can move this. You can actually move this to another file, or you can move it even out of Orange Drive. Right now, you like most of those files. You can say you can give your file a name. Okay, that you want to use to save it. You just do it and you save it. Right. Then when you come in, you see all your files there. It's actually a wonderful system if you are concerned about the importance of your files, your videos, and your images and everything. Okay, it's going to help you. Okay, because we all know the importance of files. If you lose your files, for you to retrieve them again could be very, very difficult. But if you have them saved here, okay, it becomes something you keep here. You can actually password virtually all the files. If you want to do that, you can password your files, so only you have access to your files. Then whoever wants to access it, you can decide to give that person access. So it's a bunch of wonderful. It's a way of actually keeping your property, your online property, very, very safe. Okay, so I will encourage you to go ahead and purchase this Orange Drive through my link. And I just want to show you, it's very, very ridiculous at just this one-time price that Daniel Adetunji is giving out this system. You can see just the front end is $16.93, and the downside is even $12.99. Okay, if you feel like you can go with this Orange Pro and the Orange Enterprise, but I will even encourage you. For me, this is what I actually have, and the file is even big enough for me to store most of my file. But if you have a very large, expansive file, then you can go ahead on the OTO1 or the OTO2. Okay, but you can see that the price is actually ridiculous, insanely ridiculous. It's quite cheap. It's quite cheap actually. So compared to you paying monthly to iCloud, to Dropbox, and all, you just pay the one-time fee actually. You just pay one time and you have access to this for life. And remember, you have access to all these my exclusive bonuses. And also I will be making available to you all the bonuses the vendor also asked me to give to you. And aside that, you also have money back guarantee. So you have nothing, absolutely nothing to fear about. Okay, if you get this system and you feel you're not okay with it, you can actually ask for a refund, and your refund will be processed onto you. So I really encourage you to get this, because if you are serious about your business, then go ahead and get this. Just come down here, instant access, then click on this. Okay, when you click on this, it will actually just take you to the checkout area. And when you go ahead and you check out, then from there you have access to all the bonuses that I've promised you from the beginning of the review. Thank you for watching my review, and I hope you go ahead and click the link below this video to get all these wonderful bonuses and the Orange Drive storage device. So for live, your properties, in terms of online properties, will be safe. Your file, your pages, your images, and your videos, everything will be safe. I appreciate you for taking time to go through my review. I look forward to seeing you at the other end where you make your purchase and get all the bonuses. Bye bye. Bye. Thanks.